yes, guys, I'm here. Listen, right now I am on the road. I am I want to show you guys what's going on. Hurricane Beryl is practically upon us, and I really want to see what's going on the road. As I've said to you before, I am a little scared and excited at the same time. It's crazy. I don't know why, but I want you guys to see what's going on. You know, I had 2 viewings today. I'm a real estate agent here in Jamaica, guys, and I have 2 viewings today. One was supposed to be in Spanish Town and the other one in Montego Bay. But Hurricane Beryl said, listen, Liz, you're not going to any viewings today, but hey, Beryl is a liar because I'm going to show you guys what's going on today instead. So come along, let's go and see what's going on out there on the road. This is your girl Lizzy here in Jamaica, realtor. And again, anything real estate, hit me up, guys. Let's go. So right in front of me here, guys, apparently there are some trees down. Oh wow, persons are cutting down in preparation for Beryl, and as you can see, the road is, no one is here. It's like a ghost town. You know, look on that shopping center over there. No one is there. Oh my God. So again, just driving through to see what's going on. I do apologize for the wiper in your way, but what can I do, guys? See, shopping centers are closed. That's a supermarket over there, and that's closed. Let's go further down and see. Yeah. So yes, guys, I'm here. As I've said, I want you to really see what's going on. It's crazy out here, and again, it's like a ghost town. You know, I was not expecting it to be like this, but let's go and see what's going on. I'm gonna go up on Kingston Spring Road there and see what's going on over the shopping center. You know, so come along with me. So yes, we are on Kingston Spring Road now. We're heading up to the shopping center. Based on what I'm seeing, there's no one on the road. Guys, I'm telling you, the winds are picking up. Yes, it's getting windy around here. And, well, based on what I'm seeing, the shopping center seems to be closed. But let's go and see. But yes, we are experiencing winds now. It's not consistent, but it's there. All right, let's go and see what's going on. So, yeah, the shopping center is closed, guys, as you can see. So, yeah, people are preparing for what is to come. I'm turning around. So yes, guys, I am going down Kingston Spring Road right now. And again, persons are taking it serious because, again, it is serious. It's a Cat 5 we're looking into, and yeah, the road is clear. Only 1 and 2 vehicles on the road at this time of the day. And mind you, don't forget, guys, that Jamaica is a place where we don't sleep. We are always busy and up and about. And you see, no one on the road. No one. Let us see what's going over this. Wow, you see the gas station is all buttoned up. See? Gas station is buttoned up. Pumps are covered. So yeah, it is really serious right now. But let's go, guys. Let's go. Yes, guys, as you can see, this gas station, they're all buttoned up. The pumps are wrapped. So, you know, again, if you don't have your gas already, you're in trouble. I pray and hope that we're all prepared. I just saw a vehicle pull up. I guess they wanted gas, but the gas stations are closed. So right now, there's a young man, there's somebody walking on the street. I'm just gonna pull over and find out, you know, if what his thoughts are where this is concerned. Hold on, guys. Hello there, sir. Hi. How are you? Good day. Do you mind if I ask you a few questions in regards to the storm? I'm a YouTuber. I'm just trying to find out what our thoughts are, what person's thoughts are, and how well they're prepared. Is that okay? Okay. So, my darling, how are you today? I realize that, you know, you're strolling. Are you prepared for the hurricane?
Yeah, I'm all right for the hurricane.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. I know they're saying that we're supposed to be expecting a Cat 4 to hit Jamaica. It's been a long time since Jamaica has experienced anything like this. What are your thoughts on it?
I think that Jamaica would be strong enough to go forward. Just need to focus on the street, speeding on
Right, right. So you're saying that motorists need to just take extra precaution on the road. You know, speed less and stay indoors as best as possible.
it. Yeah, small speed could do everything a lot better.
Okay, lovely, lovely. Again, my brother, thank you so much. Stay safe in this weather. Respect, all right? All righty, my brother. Bye bye.
You can ask me for a change.
I don't think I have any cash on me. Oh, here you go. I have some. Hold on, I have some cash. Here you go. Thank you, my brother.
All right.
Respect, all right?
Okay.
All righty. So there you go, guys. This gentleman, he said that he's prepared. So let's hope we are all prepared, yeah? Lizzy here in Jamaica, realtor. Anything real estate, just hit me up. I love you guys. Please, I'm begging you, stay safe out there. As the gentleman just said, speed less if you're on the road because it's wet. And take care of yourself. Love you. Mwah.